For this example, we're going to solve the following quadratic equation for x. So x squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is factorise the expression on the left-hand side. So to do this, we need to look for two numbers that multiply together to give 8 and add together to give negative 6. So because we need the two of them to add together to give negative 6 and multiply together to give positive 8, we're going to look at all the negative factors of 8. So factors of 8 include negative 1 and negative 8, negative 2 and negative 4. So next we need to work out which ones of these add together to give negative 6. So the first one gives negative 9 and the second one gives negative 6, which means that these are the two numbers we're going to be using to factorise the expression. So we can write x squared minus 6x plus 8 as x minus 2, x minus 4. So if you check that using FOIL or box method of expansion, you'd find that that is x squared minus 6x plus 8. And then we can use the null factor law to solve this quadratic. So the null factor law says that if a times b equals 0, then we can have a equal to 0, b equal to 0, or a and b equaling 0. So for this, we can have x minus 2 equals 0, or we can have x minus 4 equals 0. So if we add 2 to both sides of this factor, we get that x is equal to 2. And for the other one, if we add 4 to both sides, we get x equals 4. So the solutions for this quadratic equation are x equals 2 and x equals 4.